Next big step in the house build, we've just got our delivery of our insulation. How you going, guys? We just took delivery of our under slab insulation. So that's all these, sort of the ones with the blue on the bag there. So that's called Slabmate. It's 100 ml expanded polystyrene foam. So not to be confused with waffle pod slab. That's not what we're doing here. This is an actual solid EPS piece that goes underneath your slab, so, or in sections obviously. So these are 2.4 metres by 1.2 metres in size, 100 millimetres thick. So that was the thickest we could get for the under slab insulation. So I think from memory it gives us about 2.8 R rating. So yeah, there's 14 packs of 5 of those. I did get a little bit extra because I didn't want to run out when we were getting the slab prepared. The other one I've got here is the foil board. So that's these 2 packs here. Now that there is also made by the same company as the Slabmate, but it's a 15 millimetre, so it's only a thin one, and it has a aluminium or an alfoil or foil layer on each side. One side's green for anti-glare, and that will go on all the exterior walls. So it'll totally wrap the house on the outside. It's a rigid insulation. So the plan is that we'll be doing that around the outside, and then on the inside, I want to do a closed cell spray foam. Now that's really expensive in Australia. It's not all that common. It is very expensive, so I'm hoping the budget, by the time we get to there, we haven't had a blowout and we can still do that. It's really a critical piece of what I'm trying to do in sealing the whole house and have the mechanical air ventilation. Hopefully the budget gets there. So this is it here, Slabmate. So it is made in Australia, which is great. Okay, so that's the size there. 2.4 by 1.2 by 100 millimetres, and there's 5 sheets per box, 14 sheets. There's the foil board, also made in Australia, actually made locally here, close to where we are, and I'll just see if I can, so the top one there is a protective layer. So you can see there's one side of the aluminium, you can sort of see it a bit better there, so they're the sheets there, so aluminium on each side, or alfoil on each side. The 2 packs is enough to do around the whole house. So it just turns out the square meterage for wrapping all around the outside and doing the floor is pretty much identical. So we've got 70 sheets of Slabmate, 70 sheets of Slabmate and 70 sheets of the foil board. Now these are, the foil board is 2.7 long, the Slabmate's 2.4. So slightly bigger. The idea was, now this was what the theory was, we've got high ceilings. I thought the 2.7 was going to be enough to cover, by standing them vertically, to cover top to bottom. It's 50 millimetres short, so 5 centimetres short over that distance. So we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I'll probably lay them horizontally and I'll have a cut at the top. All right, that's it for now, guys. Cheers.
Thanks for watching today's video. Please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again next time.